What's up? We're right outside Sheepshead Bay right now near this spot called Plum Beach. People come out here to like windsurf. There's the horseshoe crab migration that happens around here every year. Tons of like shipwrecked boats and also a salt marsh we're gonna pass through. This is the first stop along the way towards Floyd Bennett Field, and then also up to Fort Tilden where the abandoned naval like military bases are there. The coastal defense bases, I mean. And yeah, we're gonna be bringing you guys into the salt marsh and checking out the beach. Hopefully we see some windsurfers. See you soon. Just made it to the first gunner box at Fort Tilden, one of the first of these coastal defense bunkers that we have here right on the seashore. We're standing on top of the gunner box. We're gonna bring you guys inside in a second to get the view from where the machine gun turrets would be, but stunning views of the beach. Up over there, we're getting towards Breezy Point, and yeah, views of the ocean. Yo, we're about to head into the first set of bunkers here along the water side. We're gonna take you inside. We just gotta get the flashlight and stuff set up.
Hey, just made it.
This is the first of the 2 missile silos that are here out in Fort Tilden. It's crazy looking. There's some people about to climb up there. We're gonna go up there as well, show you some views. But
get some drone shots.
Kind of over there behind us is the second one, and a few other like odd outpost like not outpost buildings, but like storage buildings and other like abandoned spaces from the military, like the coastal defense system time. I think it was built in 1917, or the start of building was in 1917. So we'll show you around there soon.